Right, so what's 3 over 2 as a decimal? So what that means is 3 divided by 2. Also, you can use that button on a calculator to actually just type it in. Right, so if you do that and then press equals, it's going to give you the answer of, I think this one's shaded in, but anyway, you know what it looks like, of 1.5. So work out 80% of 300. So what I'll do is I'll type in 80, and then on the calculator it's shift followed by ands to get the percentage sign in. Then what we do with the of is we change it to times. So times that by 300, and that will give us the answer of 240. So I've written that in the wrong order, but anyway, 240. That's supposed to be a 2. So 240. Right, let's go down. So that would be there, 240. So George buys 4 cans of cola. They're 36p each. Work out the total cost. So it'll be 4. So total there, that's important. 4 times. So what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to change the 36p into pounds. So it'll be 0.36. So 4 times 0.36, and that would give us our total cost of those cans of cola. So let's just do that, and it's £1.44. So include your units. So that was pounds. So then he pays with £5. So he receives some coins. What coins does he get? Minimum number of coins. That's the smallest number. That's quite important. That. So if he pays with 5, 5 take away £1.44. So let's do that in a calculator, which is £3.56. Now you probably would have known that, but it's worth just checking with the calculator because we can use it. So then our smallest number of coins, so he's going to have a £2 in there. Right. He's going to have a pound in there. So he's up to £3 already. We're going to make 56 with the number of coins, so we've got a 50p coin, a 5p and a 1p. Right, number 4. So he's going to buy, he's going to buy 4 adult tickets, £15 each, 2 child tickets at £10 each. So a 10% booking fee is added, so it's going to be extra. And then 3% for paying by a credit card. Wow, what a lot. So let's work out the cost of the tickets first. So 4 times 15. So he'd be paying £60 for adult tickets. Because I'll do a times there, wouldn't I? Yeah. 4 times 15. And then 2 times 10, he'd be paying 20 for the children's tickets. So altogether, without any charges, it's £80. Right, so what I need to do is work out 10% of that. So if I times it by 10%, again, use that button on your calculator. So 80 times 10% gives us £8. Alright, so you might have been able to work that out without a calculator, but even so. So the new cost then, because it's added, is going to be £88. And then what we're going to have to do with that is we're going to have to work out 3% of that. So if we times that by 3, and then again followed by that percentage button. So 88 times 3%. Gives us £2.64. So what we'll do with that £2.64 is we'll add it to the 88. So 88 plus £2.64 gives us £90.64. Last question. Jim is going to buy some wallpaper. Single rolls that more for £12.50. He buys 10 of them and he sees those prices. What's the cheapest way to buy them? So he could just buy 10 lots of that. So if I times that by 10, it'd be £125. So you could buy a pack of 3 rolls, so you'd have to buy 2 of them. No, he wouldn't. He'd buy 3 of them to get to 9. So £34.50 times by 3 gives us 103. I'll have to write it in here. £103.50. But then you'd need that extra one single roll, so you'd have to just include the £12.50. So if you put £12.50 in there, so the total cost of them then would be even more expensive, wouldn't it? So £115, I can't even speak. So it'd be £116. Right, so if you bought a pack of 5, you just need 2 of those. So times that by 2. So 58.75 times by 2 gives us £117.50. So actually the cheapest way of doing it would be to buy 3 packs of 3. To get to 9. So 3 packs of 3 followed by 1 single. That would get into his 10. And then that would be the cost of £116. Alright, so when you do these questions involving a maths or quite a lot of sums, don't forget to actually finally answer the question. So it says, what is the cheapest price for 10 rolls? We've made sure we've included that, and also what he's buying for that £116. Cheers.